The conjugations.
Future perfect continuous tense positive.
I will have been doing. நான் செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருப்பேன். You will have been doing. நீ செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருப்பாய். He will have been doing. அவன் செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருப்பான். She will have been doing. அவள் செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருப்பாள். It will have been doing. அது செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருக்கும். We will have been doing. நாங்கள் செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருப்போம். You will have been doing. நீங்கள் செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருப்பீர்கள். They will have been doing. அவர்கள் செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருப்பார்கள்.
Future perfect continuous tense negative.
I will not have been doing. நான் செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருக்க மாட்டேன். You will not have been doing. நீ செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருக்க மாட்டாய். He will not have been doing. அவன் செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருக்க மாட்டான். She will not have been doing. அவள் செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருக்க மாட்டாள். It will not have been doing. அது செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருக்காது. We will not have been doing. நாங்கள் செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருக்க மாட்டோம். You will not have been doing. நீங்கள் செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருக்க மாட்டீர்கள். They will not have been doing. அவர்கள் செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருக்க மாட்டார்கள்.
Future perfect continuous tense positive question.
Will I have been doing? நான் செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருப்பேனா? Will you have been doing? நீ செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருப்பாயா? Will he have been doing? அவன் செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருப்பானா? Will she have been doing? அவள் செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருப்பாளா? Will it have been doing? அது செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருக்குமா? Will we have been doing? நாங்கள் செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருப்போமா? Will you have been doing? நீங்கள் செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருப்பீர்களா? Will they have been doing? அவர்கள் செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருப்பார்களா?
Future perfect continuous tense negative question.
Will I not have been doing? நான் செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருக்க மாட்டேனா? Will you not have been doing? நீ செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருக்க மாட்டாயா? Will he not have been doing? அவன் செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருக்க மாட்டானா? Will she not have been doing? அவள் செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருக்க மாட்டாளா? Will it not have been doing? அது செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருக்காதா? Will we not have been doing? நாங்கள் செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருக்க மாட்டோமா? Will you not have been doing? நீங்கள் செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருக்க மாட்டீர்களா? Will they not have been doing? அவர்கள் செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருக்க மாட்டார்களா?
Future perfect continuous tense using question words positive.
What will I have been doing? நான் என்ன செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருப்பேன். What will you have been doing? நீ என்ன செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருப்பாய். What will he have been doing? அவன் என்ன செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருப்பாள். What will she have been doing? அவள் என்ன செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருப்பாள். What will it have been doing? அது என்ன செய்து கொண்டிருக்கும். What will we have been doing? நாங்கள் என்ன செய்து கொண்டிருப்போம். What will you have been doing? நீங்கள் என்ன செய்து கொண்டிருப்பீர்கள். What will they have been doing? அவர்கள் என்ன செய்து கொண்டிருப்பார்கள்.
Future perfect continuous tense using question words negative. What will I not have been doing? நான் என்ன செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருக்க மாட்டேன். What will you not have been doing? நீ என்ன செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருக்க மாட்டாய். What will he not have been doing? அவன் என்ன செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருக்க மாட்டான். What will she not have been doing? அவள் என்ன செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருக்க மாட்டாள். What will it not have been doing? அது என்ன செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருக்காது. What will we not have been doing? நாங்கள் என்ன செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருக்க மாட்டோம். What will you not have been doing? நீங்கள் என்ன செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருக்க மாட்டீர்கள். What will they not have been doing? அவர்கள் என்ன செய்து கொண்டிருந்திருக்க மாட்டார்கள்.
Questions plus corresponding answers. What will I have been doing? You will have been teaching. What will you have been doing? I will have been learning. What will he have been doing? He will have been singing. What will she have been doing? She will have been dancing. What will it have been doing? It will have been eating. What will we have been doing? You will have been working. What will you have been doing? We will have been sleeping. What will they have been doing? They will have been playing. Questions plus positive and negative answers.
Future perfect continuous tense. Will I have been doing?
Yes, you will have been doing. No, you will not have been doing.
Will you have been doing?
Yes, I will have been doing. No, I will not have been doing.
Will he have been doing?
Yes, he will have been doing. No, he will not have been doing.
Will she have been doing?
Yes, she will have been doing. No, she will not have been doing.
Will it have been doing?
Yes, it will have been doing. No, it will not have been doing.
Will we have been doing?
Yes, you will have been doing. No, you will not have been doing.
Will you have been doing?
Yes, we will have been doing. No, we will not have been doing.
Will they have been doing?
Yes, they will have been doing. No, they will not have been doing. Example sentences. I will have been helping you. You will have been helping me. He will have been helping her. She will have been helping him. It will have been helping everything. We will have been helping you. You will have been helping us. They will have been helping everybody. Positive sentences with negative tag. I will have been helping you, won't I? You will have been helping me, won't you? He will have been helping her, won't he? She will have been helping him, won't she? It will have been helping everything, won't it? We will have been helping you, won't we? You will have been helping us, won't you? They will have been helping everybody, won't they? Negative sentences with positive tags. I will not have been helping you, will I? You will not have been helping me, will you? He will not have been helping her, will he? She will not have been helping him, will she? It will not have been helping everything, will it? We will not have been helping you, will we? You will not have been helping us, will you? They will not have been helping everybody, will